This here is my new to me Van Wert stoker. Kind of stoke a little bit of coal into there. It's not 100% automatic feed yet. I'm missing the thin worm and pipe. But just to fire it up here, a little hopper out of PVC is now melting. This thing's hot. Alright, let's keep it going for a few minutes longer. Yeah, just picked this thing up today. Only thing missing is the bin worm. Pipe. Might actually put it in this here wash we got here. It's got a 13-inch ring. It fit in there pretty nice, I think. Not hard to see, but there it all is. Motor, gearbox, to the hot worm drive, which turns this big gear, which turns this other big gear here. This thing would turn another big gear that would turn the bin worm. I'll put some more coal in it again. Like I said, it's not automatic feed right now, but it will be. Close to about it. Okay, the PVC pipe's not doing too good right next to this fire. Wow, it's hot. My goodness, is it hot. Cool looking flame.